Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson with another classic build coming up. This one is going to be a 1962 kit by Hawk Model Company of Lockheed U-2 spy plane. And this is going to be fun to build. I always wanted to do it as a kid, but was never able to do it, and now I'm in my second childhood. So okay, I'm going to take a look at the U-2. I got this at estate sale, which I was able to find all those classic planes at. This thing really does look complete. 1/48 scale. I mean, that's a big airplane. It's like there's some flash I gotta clean off to find out the painting. Here's the decals. Decals are pretty toast. I don't think I can use them. I'll have to see if I can find some new ones. These are the NASA ones. I had to print out the instructions from ScaleMates. They didn't have them with this model. A lot of these models I got from the estate sale did not have instructions. But you know what I think I want to do? I think I want to get a set of decals for this that are U.S. Air Force. When I was in the Air Guard, 176 Fighter Squadron, and a Deputy Fire Chief, Chief of Rescue Operations, we had a U-2 that was assigned to us for like 3 months. And the reason why it was there was part of an exercise that was going on over the Midwest between Canada, United States, and a couple other NATO countries. We used to do a lot of NATO exercises over the Great Lakes because a lot of the topographical features were the same as Eastern Europe, Western Europe. And so what I think I want to do is get some U.S. Air Force decals for this and do it in the black with the Air Force decals, just because it's something that I got to work with, and it was really cool. I mean, we had the hangar space at our Air Guard unit. We had the security police. We had everything that was there that was required. Our teams were trained in U-2 pilot and SR-71 pilot crew extraction, egress, because it's different than other aircraft. So we were the perfect place for them to have it housed for 3 months, and it was super cool to watch it take off, because it was just like, it looked as light as a feather when it took off. So I can't wait to make this. Building this U-2 was a real treat, a real easy kit, fun. I had it assembled in 1 day, and with detailing and painting, it was a 2-day kit, and I loved it. I downloaded the instructions from ScaleMates, although I really didn't need them. It was pretty easy to figure out. There are a couple spots where I needed to probably get some clue, but I really enjoyed building this. It looks great on the shelf, and great representation of early Cold War spy aircraft. So everybody, just enjoy the video and wait for my next adventure. This is Tommy Anderson, signing out.